An HTML element is defined by starting tag and ending tag. As you can see, this is the HTML element. It will start and end. Now the HTML element is everything from the start tag to the end tag. Some HTML elements have no content, like BR. This element have no content inside. These elements are called empty elements. Empty elements do not have an end tag. As you can see, one element inside another element. Now, element inside another element is called nested element. The element can be nested. This means that elements can contain another elements. All HTML documents consist of nested HTML elements. As we talked about all these elements, but there is one another element that we are going to talk about it right now, which is BR element. This is called an empty element. The HTML elements with no content are called empty element. This bar or BR tag defines a line break, is an empty element without a closing tag. So let's use this. Let's remove this from here and let's write this between our paragraphs. BR, and now let's save this and let's check our web page. What will happen? As you can see, this BR tag is used for a line break. After this BR element, every content will jump over to the next line. So if we cut this content from here and let's paste it after this, this will print in the first line, and this is a paragraph will print in the jump over to the second line, as you can see right here. So this is the uses of BR tag. HTML is not case sensitive. It means that P with capital is same with P with small later. If we print this, if we save this and print it again, see, everything is the same as we use with a small p tag. So if you think you have learned something from this video, please don't forget to like, share. This will help us a lot to make more useful content.